Hello people, I'm at this place called Up and Above and it's beautiful. Take a look at it. It's in this place called Sindhi Colony and I'm here with a friend and so that's what we're waiting for our order of American chop suey, veg chop suey, and I'm a vegan, right? And basically anyone who comes with me also I make them a vegan. I mean, more out of a ethical reason. I mean, you know, when you cross these butcher shops, you feel like, oh my god, I'm a vegetarian. But some way, if we are all, be it cosmetics, be it, leather products, the more you buy such stuff, you are allowing that cruelty to perpetuate. So anyway, sitting in a restaurant, I don't intend to give you a lecture on. I just attended a Vedanta class, which was out of this world. It was really something. So that's near Keys High School, again in Sikandrabad. So anyway, people, lovely place, and I'll catch you all in my next video. On that note, I'm tired from work, yeah. That's why I look the way I do. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.